the F350 6.6 liter truck. And this vagina is still worried about his leg. Let's go. Let's be positive. Let's be positive today. Come on, man. All right, come on. I let you come to work with that fucking hair of yours anyway.
Dude, fuck you. I'm not coming to work tomorrow.
Shit, I'll find someone else. This guy's dirty. Where's these pit bulls? Where are you, pit bull? I don't see any dog.
Just call him Dumb Dog.
Dumb dog.
Because he's dumb. He's the dumbest dog I've ever owned.
Are you serious? That there's people here. Oh, he's a big boy. He's a big boy. Someone eats good. That's funny.
Yeah, we feed him a lot of fat. Hopefully he'll die.
That's the best. That's funny. So show me what you got, boss. You got a lot of crap. Okay.
Motorcycle. Tractor. That damn
Grill? You're trying to decide?
this thing.
Yeah.
Headache rack.
The grill back there.
Grill.
That thing. This thing right here. That thing. You want the wheelbarrow?
No.
All right. Wheelbarrow goes. You want all this crap here? This looks like it's all trash.
Yeah, it is.
And then the 4 tires, of course.
Yeah.
Does that Dodge truck move?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll be able to.
The basketball goal over there.
Yeah.
So all this. What else?
Not the grill there.
Yeah, I can tell the
That
grill.
grill.
Okay. And does this?
That stays.
Okay. But that chair goes. That chair goes.
No, my wife will do something with it.
Oh, it'll be here in about 5 more years. You want the?
That bunny cage needs to go.
So what happened? Did you eat the bunnies? Hey, where you going? What's his name? Miles. All right, so the slide goes.
Yeah.
How about this thing? What is it? Oh, it's a little dump cart.
Yeah.
Yeah, my friend got one of those, a big version. That goes?
No.
You sure about that? That looks like it goes, man.
Okay, that will go.
I could just tell it looks like it goes. Do you want that wood?
That could go.
Okay, and but not the wood that's holding up your fence, right?
Right.
That's funny.
I've been out of town working. I can't.
That's fine. You want this thing gone too?
Yeah, might as well.
Okay. And the wood that surrounds the area?
Yeah.
Okay. When are you gonna get rid of this?
Oh hell, probably 10 years.
Jesus Christ. Does he lay down under? He doesn't even lay down underneath it.
No.
Okay, this goes. Little wood back there. All right. Well, shit, that'd almost be your house. Well, I'm gonna. The radio flyer.
That'll
Stay. Of course, the dolly next to it stays. How about that dog crate and those 2 chairs? What about that?
Chairs will stay, dog crate will stay.
And
How about a refrigerator? You want to take a refrigerator?
Well, it's trash to us. Same thing. Doesn't matter to us. You know?
I can have it ready and pull it out. It's the one.
Oh,
on the
that right
back.
there. Is that it?
No, that one back there.
Oh, we can get to it. Doesn't matter. Okay, how about this? This is trash.
That's trash.
What's going on here?
It's just repairing fences. That dumb dog.
Throw that over there in that area. Just toss it in the corner.
Um,
Well, I'll show you how I charge, man. Come on. You might as well, because there's trailer. That's the trailer I'd bring. I wouldn't bring the other one. Oh, boy. You want some of that gun too?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can tell that's all trash. Bro, you're messy. You're in a nice house, too, in a nice
I'm
area.
old, and I can't
Oh, he's old. Okay. All right, guys, we just finished. It's been recording this whole time. We just finished a junk removal estimate at a fellow's house in Trophy Club. I told you I would take you out. We're going to do a couch right now in Dallas, and then a grill in Plano. So we just finished this. It's actually a slow day. Only 4 jobs today.
The Plano one first, and then go back to Dallas.
Plano won't be there until later on. Yeah, so here's what we're doing. We're going to go to Dallas to pick up a couch. We are 30 minutes away from that couch in Dallas. But let's talk about this estimate that we just finished doing. It goes from about $300 to $400. I priced it a little cheap at $350 to $375, and I'm gonna tell you why. Everything in this house is recyclable. There's only like 2 or 3 things we're actually picking up, right? That's trash. And one's a birdhouse, and even the birdhouse had a lot of metal fencing on it. So, I mean, we're not gonna, trust me, we're not gonna separate the metal from the wood, which is gonna go as trash. But this dude has a lot of recycling, and we're just gonna pull it out of there. The only thing that looked heavy was that old machine, and that didn't even look like it was gonna be that hard if we could back the trailer into it, right? I think here's what we're gonna do, guys. We're just gonna go in, back the trailer, open the doors, load everything really fast, and this $350 or $375 that we're gonna make is honestly going to take us about 40 minutes. It'll be easy money, 30 minutes. And here's what I want to do. That day, which is Wednesday, which you're not working Wednesday, I'll probably take somebody else with me that wants to work and make real money. I'm going to bring the truck home that night, park it here, and then I'll just wake up really easy that morning, and I'll come and do it by myself.
I thought you said Thursday.
It is Thursday, but Wednesday, oh shit, you are coming. Wednesday, I'm going to empty the truck out, have it ready for this job, and then we're gonna knock it out.
And we're gonna do it as a team.
Anyway, guys, let's go to the third job of the day, which is a job that we're getting paid for.